They're taking a photo in front of that backdrop. Yeah.
Hey, there's that like
Okay, we will. Well, your mom's got the pass. Oh, it's the beanstalk. How cool. Everything's black and white. Whoa. That's so cool. We're entering the theater. All right, we're coming. Walking right on. Pretty cool. The wrong door. Little dance party action. They're coming. She's coming. Raleigh, how are you feeling?
I'm really excited.
Right, but I'm like, you're not feeling low, are you?
I'm so excited.
Are you so excited?
I was crying.
Oh, wow.
I was crying earlier.
You were crying? You were so excited? Wow. Hi! This is exciting.
Oh my God.
The concession stand. Wow. Raleigh, this is a big deal. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. I love the font. Oh, someone made a mess. Very cool. They started playing. We're just walking right on. It's amazing.
We got here right on time.
Yeah. Yes, 6 of us. Film reels everywhere. Oh, that's a good idea. Get a photo right there. Go on the sides of it so we see the poster.
trying to fill all the
Mommy, can I have some candy? Mommy, can I have some candy?
All right, let's go. Take a step back to me. Take a step back. That's just shocking.
I never did.
Nothing can stop us now. Yep, we're up in the park. See you all later.
Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the park? Do you want to fix this here locomotive?
Sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Congratulations, you guys just broke the fourth wall!
All right. Hi.
This is it!
Yeah, I know.
Meanwhile, riding aboard the train, always stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train car.
What is it? Oh, there's, wait, let me see.
Let me see.
There's a hidden Mickey in the popcorn. That's cool. Nice.
Why'd you find that out, Mommy?
That's cool. I love it. I already want to go through the line again.
Oh, the popcorn area where
Did you see the hidden Mickey in the popcorn? It was a little popcorn shaped like Mickey's head. That's so cool.
Permanezcan sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Negotiating which car they get to go in.
they can go in first row one.
Oh. They want.
Okay.
What's the best row?
Who's our number one?
So technically, each vehicle moves.
That's why I'm saying I want row one so we can see stuff first.
Yeah, so row one. So I'm gonna sit the six of you guys. I'm gonna switch you guys up to green, so it'd be 1 and 2.
Perfect.
Great.
Awesome, Alex.
Of course, guys.
So we'll sit behind them. Great.
1 and 2.
All right, here we go.
Hold down on the lap bar for me, please. Hold down and push up. Push up on the lap bar, everyone. Everyone push up on the lap bar. Very good. She's going to read all of our comments now.
Wood car 36. Oh, there's lots of space.
Scoot over.
Hold down on the lap bar, please. Hold down. Then push up. Push up on the lap bar, please. Back row, push up. Really good.
You guys in? You ladies ready? All right, here we go. We're going back to 1928.
Testing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Nothing can stop us now. We have to stop them before they go over the...
Dancers. Dance peeps. I love it.
Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone in your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all dancing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's color!
Check my trusty man. Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. You don't have any other plans? Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We had one crazy round. On one side. The stars will be alive. I need you to
Bye, Goofy. A Mickey in film reels. Pretty cool. Yeah, Raleigh, we've never seen this. That's the ride. That's cool.
Something happens.
Very cool. Christmas. If you want more from our trip to Mickey's Toontown, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications because the full vlog is coming soon. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you soon in Super Cali Land. Bye.